Dear students, this video is for 8th grade state board and CBSE students. A problem in mathematics is like this. Given that A is equal to 2 to the power 1007 into 3 to the power 2008 into 5 to the power 3009. B is equal to 2 to the power 1009 into 3 to the power 2009 into 5 to the power 3008. C is equal to 2 to the power 1007 into 3 to the power 2008 into 5 to the power 3010, and D is equal to 2 to the power 1008 into 3 to the power 2008 into 5 to the power 3009. Write A, B, C and D in ascending order. Well, question is like this. This kind of problems can be asked in Olympiads and competitions, KTSC, NTSC examinations, KVPY examinations and all that. It's really very interesting to note such problems. When 2 to the power 1007, one feels that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so 1007 times, so we'll have to multiply. Well, that is not the case of doing the problems. Actually, it is done in a very simpler method. Let us see that. Solution to this problem will go this way. I need all these ABCDs, therefore I will keep it in my frame. A is equal to 2 to the power 1007, 2 to the power 1009, 1007 and 1008. In all these cases of powers, take the least one, that is 2 to the power 1007 as it is, into, this is the least one, 7, 9, 7 and 8. Out of this 7 is least, therefore I have kept it as it is. Now 8, 9, 8 and 8, therefore 8 is the least, and therefore I write 3 to the power 2008 as it is. Whereas 5 to the power 3009, here 3008, 3010, 3009. Therefore least is 3008. So 5 to the power 3009 can be written as 5 to the power 3008 into 5. That is, according to law of index, to the power 1 will come, and a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. 3008 plus 1, that becomes 3009. That is the logic being used here. This is equal to, we will write this as completely, this value as some constant value, because everything we will write in the same term. B, C, D, all of them will be written in the form, and therefore we will call it as K. This will be taken as K, and therefore we will write it as 5K. Similarly, B is written as B we will write. Watch what is B. B is 2 to the power 1009. Now 2 to the power 1007 is the least into another 2 are remaining here to make it 1009. Therefore, we will make it 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2008 is least, but here it is 2009. Therefore, 3 to the power 2008 into 3 to the power 1 plus 2008 is 2009 into 5 to the power 3008 is the least, therefore we will keep it as it is. That's equal to. Now 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, and 2 to the power 1007 into 3 to the power 2008 and 5 to the power 3008 combined together it is k, therefore this becomes 12k. Now I think you have understood the concept here, it's more clear now. Let us now take C. C is equal to, we have C is equal to 2 to the power 1007 as usual. We need not have to make any alteration. And 3 to the power 2008, that is also as usual, into 5 to the power 3010 must be written as 3008 into 3 square. This 2 and this 8 becomes 10, that is 3010. That is equal to, this is the meaning, that is k, and this is 3 square, that is equal to, sorry, this is 5 square. 5 square means 25 and k, because this value is nothing but what? K. Now, we'll take one more example, that is D. The value of D here, D is equal to 2 to the power 1008 is given. So, we'll have to make 1007 into 2 into 3 to the power 2008 as usual into 5 to the power 3009 means 3008 into 5. That's equal to 2 into 5 is 10 and remaining all form k, therefore it becomes 10k. Now, the values A, B, C, D are converted into 5k, 12k, 25k and 10k. Now, we want ascending order, therefore the least one is 5k and then is 10k and then is 12k and then is 25k. Therefore, we go on writing 5k is less than 10k and 10k is less than 12k and 12k is less than 25k. And corresponding 5k means we have A, we will write it here, A is less than D, is less than B and is less than C. Therefore, you have arranged A, B, C, D in the ascending order. Dear students, to get such videos for you every day, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and our channel name is Kota Maths Lab. What you simply do is just go to YouTube and search for this words Kota Maths Lab. You will immediately get our videos, watch them and subscribe to get all the videos every day. All the very best to you.